So I just wanted to make a video about this. This is the MTB Hopper Intro, and I bought this one over the light because it was actually a little bit lighter. I've weighed this one and it weighs in at right at 10 pounds on my scale. Ignore the cat who wants to sniff it. And so I wanted to have this as a portable ramp for when I go on the trails. And the Intro actually has some built-in straps, which makes it super nice to bring along. But this one, the Intro, does not. And that was a little bit annoying. And so what I actually did, and what I wanted to highlight here were the modifications that I did. And so what I actually did, if I take this and I ignore the fact that these are only zip ties, this is just iteration 1. But I used the side holes and the top hole, and I actually mounted some little backpack straps. And the way I actually wear it is I take these straps and they come around the front like this. And so I actually have this flat part against my back. That way I don't have any sharp points like this digging into my back. Although I suppose if you find it works with your setup, if you're wearing a larger bag, you could actually have a bag that goes in this slot and then wear the straps over it. But I have this set up as such, and I'm not going to demonstrate it in this video, but you can slip this over your back, and it actually has a little cross harness too, so you can even secure it for when you're riding, and it's a little bit bouncier. I will link these little shoulder straps and what I'm actually going to do with these zip ties in the future, although I suppose if you want to leave it like that you can, but I'm going to actually get some nylon thread, and I'm going to actually take some D-rings and I'm going to sew it in between here, basically replacing this with some nylon strap and D-rings. That way these guys can just clip on and off. But as you can see, when you're ready to set up, you can be wearing this, you take it off, set it up, and then these just fall, and then they can actually fall underneath. And so whenever you set up the arms on them, it will not interfere with them. But yeah, this basically transforms this. I know I've seen some people struggling with transporting this, and so rather than having to use the little side handles on there, you can actually wear it like a backpack.